What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Don's Lawns.
Yeah, Don's Lawns is the thing.
In today's video, as you can tell, I'm over at the project side lawn, and I'm going to apply another round of the Hyr-BRIX fertilizer today. This will be the third treatment that I've done. I showed you guys the first one, the second one I did in private, and now the third and final treatment. I'm going to show you guys. We're going to do a little bit of a before and after here, and you're going to see how it's been doing, and then I'm going to apply the product, and then I'm going to apply some Mama Nature's mosquito juice over here to get ready for an upcoming party. So without further ado, let's get into these before and afters. So as you can probably tell, right here is a lot thicker than it was at the beginning of the year. This spot had been kind of struggling in a couple sections, but you can tell the St. Augustine is spreading. It's getting out towards the fence, and it's also getting a lot more thicker. Now, as we move over here to this other part of the lawn, we went ahead and we added some St. Augustine that we had pulled out from a flower bed in the front. My father-in-law was redoing the flower bed, so he salvaged some of that, brought it back here, put it down on the ground, put some sand around it to really try to help promote some of that spread. And as you can tell, it's making it. It's living. It's starting to spread a little bit, but we are underneath a big tree. So the likelihood of this really getting as thick as this part over here is pretty slim. Just gotta, give it some time and see what happens. But the tree's trimmed up as tall as we can go, and we've done pretty much everything we can there. Let's go ahead and we're gonna spread our last batch, our last little bit of the Hyr-BRIX fertilizer over here, and then we'll do a spray treatment with the Mama Nature's mosquito juice. So we're done spreading our Hyr-BRIX. Now it's time to spray some Mama Nature's mosquito juice to really deter the mosquitoes and make the backyard more enjoyable. So, as you may or may not know, I have a discount code down in the description. Make sure you go down there and check it out. The discount code is DonsLawn10, and you'll get 10% off your Mama Nature's mosquito juice purchase. Well, that's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, make sure you hit that like button, tap subscribe down below. Check out the links in the description, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at DonsLawns1. Hope to see you in the next video. What do we say?
Best of luck in the lawn.
That's right. We'll see you guys.
Make sure you subscribe on all Don's Lawns videos.
Bye.
Bye.